Hello friends, I am Dr. Lakshmi Gurumukhani from Bhavnagar. I am practicing in my private consulting since 2003 in Bhavnagar. I am doing more in a neurology and women's health. But in women's health, we know very little. I think only in stress urinary incontinence and few Kegel exercises. Uh, Many patient used to come and ask I have got this problem or this problem, can you help me up? Many gynecologists used to call me up, Lakshmi, patient has this, and I heard like physiotherapy can be helpful in these conditions. Many of the conditions were not even the heard also of by me, and I asked a few other who had done the masters in the women's health. They were also thoda bahut like not very confident in themselves whether we can do or not. And in fact we were very not confident like we can touch any of the patient from inside as the gynecologists do the PV examinations. So one of my friend, and it's somewhere in the groups like physiotherapy group, I heard like there is a something like WOW group and who is doing this workshop in women's health only in the pelvic floor. So pelvic floor is a some remote like as a word ki like it is so important, like the workshop can be conducted for 3 days. इतना ज़्यादा तो क्या होगा अभी एक दिन में तो हो जाएगा पूरा, वैसा सोच के ऐसे निकले ऐसे एंड ठीक है चलते हैं, फिर थोड़ा और पढ़ा, देन दे सेंड 2-3 फ्लायर्स हियर एंड देयर. सो फेल्ट इंटरेस्टेड एंड स्टार्टेड रीडिंग लिटिल बिट लाइक चलो जाना है वर्कशॉप के लिए. And when we entered in the workshop for the day one, I remember it is such a in-depth from the scratch, like ABCD से लेके आपको सिखा रहे हैं, and till end like when patient is coming तो आपको कैसे बोलना है, which command to execute first thing, then stop, ऐसे ये touch ऐसा होना चाहिए, इतना soft होना चाहिए. Even if you are using any modality, so what the intensity, the minutes, the everything. Like attended so many workshops, so but they teach you, but there is always something left with the question mark in your mind. You always think like there has to be little more to explore. ये पूछो तो then we'll say you do our next level. हम आपको कभी सिखाएंगे. Practically so many things we have done, many workshops, but there are always some question marks, some of the areas left out to be learned, and when you call them up, not good, satisfied, but not up to the mark, the level we are here, I always feel. So initially we didn't know who is a head sir, and after coming here we heard the story and seen this all pelvic floor management and everything. We are really feel the word wow is a really innovated commerce. It has to be there, and very much thankful to him like he has brought this innovative treatment to the India, because always we look forward to the foreign countries or Europeans to the for any of the treatments, such as book में क्या लिखा है, वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है. But this is the first time we'll be like some book from India, and as our madam told like next month they are going to Sri Lanka. I feel oh we are now exporting. So this was really clicking to me. Wow, thank you.